First up, we have subscriber count widget. Now it's pretty useful when you don't want to go to YouTube or YouTube Studio. You have your channel subscriber count on the go. You listen to music offline. You're in need of a really great music player. Well, Pulse Music might help you with a bunch of customization and features. It comes with a dark theme specially made for AMOLED screens, where you can save up to 40% of your battery life. It feels frustrating when you can't reach the top of your phone because of the size. Smart Cursor is really helpful in this case. You can trigger it from left or right and use it. But if the gestures interfere, then you can change the handle side and position. Calculator Hide Vault is a secret application that might look or fool you by acting like any other calculator app. But when you type in the passcode, it takes you into a different launcher where you can upload or hide your photos secretly. You can just tap on the plus icon and select the photos or videos you want to hide without anyone's notice. The last but not the least application is videos. This is a simple video editing application with lots of templates on the go. Choose any of them and select the videos or photos and boom, your video is ready on the go. I hope you guys loved this video. If you like this video, then give this video a like, and also if you're new here, then make sure you subscribe this channel. I'm Asik Raghav and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.